Hello, with me Miss Dita. In this video, we will learn the difference and use of much, many, and a lot of. Stay tuned in this video.
Well, we start from the definition of a quantifier itself. A quantifier is a word that usually goes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. So, quantifier itu adalah kosakata yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan kuantitas atau pembilang dari suatu benda. And our focus today are quantifiers of much, many, and a lot of. They are used to express the large amount of something. Much, many, and a lot of mempunyai arti yang sama, yaitu banyak atau dalam jumlah banyak. But, although they have the same meaning, they are not completely interchangeable. Meskipun berarti sama, yaitu banyak, tapi penggunaan dalam kalimatnya berbeda. Nah, mari simak penjelasan berikut ini. The first one is many. Many can be used only with countable nouns in the plural. Countable nouns are things that we can count. For example, many people, many tables, many pencils, many cats, many houses, and etc. We mostly use many in negative sentences and questions. Jadi, penggunaan many biasanya ada dalam kalimat yang negatif atau pertanyaan. Negative sentence adalah kalimat yang menyatakan suatu peristiwa tapi bermakna tidak. Biasanya diikuti dengan kata not. As you can see here, there were not many people in the meeting. The interviewer did not ask me many questions. Jadi untuk menyatakan benda dalam jumlah banyak yang dapat dihitung seperti orang-orang di sini, contohnya people dan questions. Dalam kalimat negatif, kamu dapat menggunakan kata many. Begitu pula dengan kalimat pertanyaan, questions. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Do you know many English words? Nah, ketika membuat pertanyaan, kamu pun dapat menggunakan many ya untuk benda yang dapat dihitung. Di sini bendanya adalah brothers dan juga sisters. Yang kalimat kedua, kata bendanya adalah words-nya ya, English words. Jadi menggunakan kata many. Next one is much. Much can only be used with uncountable nouns in the singular, as in much water, much money, much sugar, much cheese, much oil, and etc. Jadi, penggunaan much harus diikuti dengan benda yang tak dapat dihitung satuan secara fisik, seperti air, ya, uang, gula, keju, dan juga minyak. Much is mostly used in negative sentences and questions. In negative sentence, for example, there isn't much furniture in this house. He doesn't have much work today. Jadi, inilah contoh penggunaan much yang diikuti oleh kata benda yang tidak dapat dihitung, uncountable, dalam kalimat negatif. And next, much in questions. How much bread have you eaten? Do you drink much coffee? We can also use many and much in positive sentences after words like so and to. Jadi, kamu juga bisa menggunakan much dan many ini di kalimat yang positif setelah kata to dan juga so. To, before many and much means more than necessary or more than we need. For example, as usual, she has made too many cakes. There are too many cars on the road. More people should use public transport. The doctor said that I drink too much coffee. I did too much shopping yesterday. Nah, penggunaan kata to di dalam kalimat sebelum kata many atau much ini menandakan bahwa bendanya lebih dari yang kita butuhkan atau lebih dari yang kita perlukan. As usual, she has made too many cakes. Artinya adalah dia telah membuat terlalu banyak kue. Ya. There are too many cars on the road. Ada terlalu banyak mobil di jalan. The doctor said that I drink too much coffee. Artinya bahwa dokter bilang saya terlalu banyak minum kopi. Jadi to sebelum kata many digunakan untuk menandakan bahwa benda ini lebih dari yang kita butuhkan, more than necessary, more than we need. Next, so before many or much is used to emphasize a very large quantity of something. Jadi, kamu pun juga dapat menggunakan so sebelum many or much untuk menekankan kuantiti benda yang sangat banyak. For example, why are there so many empty chairs in that event? Mengapa ada begitu banyak kursi kosong di acara itu? There are so many jobs to do. So many jobs. Ya, jadi begitu banyak pekerjaan. Nah, menekankan bahwa pekerjaan yang dilakukan ada begitu banyak. And then he has so much money. Dia memiliki begitu banyak uang. Nah, di sini menekankan bahwa uang yang dimilikinya sungguh banyak. I have so much work that I won't be able to sleep until Thursday. Di sini maksudnya adalah saya memiliki begitu banyak pekerjaan sehingga saya tidak dapat tidur sampai hari Kamis. So much menekankan bahwa pekerjaannya begitu banyak. Nah, kata work sendiri termasuk uncountable. Makanya dia didahului oleh much. A lot of merupakan quantifier yang paling fleksibel karena dapat digunakan dengan kata benda yang dapat dihitung, countable, dan juga tidak dapat dihitung, uncountable. Dan a lot of juga digunakan dalam kalimat positif, negatif, atau dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Here are the examples of a lot of in sentences. There are a lot of students in the library. There is a lot of food on the table. Can you hurry up? I don't have a lot of time. Are there a lot of good players at your football club? As you can see here, that a lot of is used with countable and uncountable nouns and can be used in positive and negative and also interrogative or questions.
Let's go and buy the things for the party.
Alright, what do we need? We need ham and cheese for the sandwiches.
Sally, how much lettuce do we still have?
There isn't much lettuce and there aren't many tomatoes. We need a lot of them too. Let's buy some potato chips. A lot of people like them. We need milk and milk too and a cup of ice.
We need a lot of things.
Let's go!
Well, that's all about the video today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can be useful for us. Don't forget to comment below, like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. And see you in the next video.